Hello there and welcome to this unboxing video for Paper Pumpkin's January 2022 kit. I've got it right here. Just received it in the mail and I'm always so excited when I get my Paper Pumpkin kit because it's such a fun and easy, relaxing project. A lot of the work is done for you. It's different from a lot of other stamping supplies where you have to really engage your creativity. This is a project that's fun for just relaxing and following the instructions and putting the cards together. And then you have adorable cards to send out to your friends and whoever you want to send it to. So let's get started. I'm going to just adjust my camera. So let's have a look. All right, we've got, okay, this is cool. So it's telling us that if we like this kit, then there's a similar project opportunity that we can buy separately that coordinates with what I believe is in this kit here, the gold and pink XO Valentine's Day kit. And then something's coming on the horizon. Oh, let's see. Can you guess what's coming next month? Check out our February 2022 Paper Pumpkin playlist. That's fun. I love having good music when I'm crafting, so that'll be interesting to check out. All right, I'm going to put that aside. Sometimes I save the boxes because you might want to store things in them or ship things in them, so I won't throw that away. It's such a nice size box. But let's see what all of these adorable things are. Okay, we've got some, let's see, I think these are Flirty Flamingo would be my guess, envelopes. And then, oh, they've got XO on the inside in gold foil, amazing. And then we've got heart cards. Let's see, yeah, okay, there's 3 per card, so I think we're probably going to fold it over like that. That's awesome. So there's, looks like there's maybe petal pink cards as well as some very vanilla cards. Oh, those are so cute. Okay. And then our embellishments, more hearts, arrows. That's good. Valentine's is perfect time for arrows and Cupid. More hearts. And then these, I wonder what those are. They look kind of like postage stamps. We've got some sequins that are iridescent and multicolored. It looks like everything from petal pink to very vanilla and all the colors here. So that was a perfect match. And we've got some mini dimensionals. Okay, great. Oh, and then over here, I forgot this stuff. We've got vellum hearts. Oh, so many hearts. If you were wondering if it was Valentine's Day, there's no way of missing it with this kit. The stamp set, oh, that's cute too. Love you, for you, friend, sending love. I love little dots like that too, and another arrow. This is a cute one, I gotta say. And if you are not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber yet and you've been thinking about it, unfortunately you can't get this kit, but you can sign up to get next month's kit. I'll put a link in the description so that you can see that, check that out if you are considering being a subscriber. Okay, so let's see, we need to get oriented to what's going on here. The 3 cards, let's just start with card number 1. We're going to find our pink cards and we'll be putting this in the middle and then folding it up. Okay, so we need friend and we need for you on our block. Let's see. Can't find my exact Paper Pumpkin block, so I'll use this one instead because it looks like all of these stamps are small, so they should work just fine. So we'll start with friend. And I'll have for you waiting. Okay, so we need our pink cards. And there should be, oh, did it say how many there are? Yep, these are the right ones. Looks like I've got 4. Is there another 5? Okay, so we've got 5 of these. 5 of the first card. Okay, maybe this is the same card, but there's just more steps to that. Oh, and it's having a stamp on the envelope too. That is cute. Okay, and here it's showing 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Excuse me, I'm reading the instructions in reverse, it would seem, but you know what? That's probably fairly normal for me, just to figure out the instructions. Okay, we've got these. We've got 2 of these on each card. So since we have 5 cards, we're going to need 10 of these. And is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We need 5 more. So one is going to say friend, and one is going to say for you. And I've got a huge pile of stuff here, so let's move this out of the way so we have some working space. Keep these nearby. Okay, I'm going to look at the front cover one more time because that usually gives you a lot of hints as to what you're making. Okay, so friend looks like goes on the front. Oh, I see now. Okay, so we're going to put a plain one on the inside, and you can use these mini glue dots if you want, but I've got some seal that I'm going to use because it's faster, so you guys don't have to sit and watch me do this. You could also use dimensionals for this, but on these I am not going to use dimensionals because I want to write on that when I give these away. So we'll just put the plain one here, and then we're going to put one on the front that says friend. What does it say? Yeah. Or you could swap it out for something else. So I do give Valentines to my friends. I love giving Valentines to my friends and family and whoever, not just to my romantic Valentine, but he'll definitely get one as well. There we go. This is so cute. Oh, I really like this. I love gold. Absolutely love gold right now. Can't wear it enough and use it enough in crafting. Okay, there's 3. Got 2 more. And put it on the stripes. Okay, that's good. Step 1 is out of the way. Let's add the other heart. Let's see. There we go. Did that one backwards. Ta-da, there we go. Okay, now this one, let's put friend on this. And what else does this say? Let's see if I need to do oh, love you. There's a love you, so I'm going to do 1 love you because I really like this pink card, and so. But love you actually could go for, I'd give my friends and my nieces and nephews a Valentine that says love you. That wouldn't be too weird for me. So this is Gray Granite ink spot. And we'll stamp love you. Okay. Well, actually, okay, now I'm looking at it a little more closely, and this piece, I'm going to stamp love you on this. That looks a little splotchy, but it looks okay, so it's good to test it out. And you know what? I do not need to make all of these. I will just focus on finishing 1 of each. So I'll stop there with that, and we'll take this. Now, where are my other embellishments? I've got some of these right here. Okay, I've got an arrow and need to add a love you to it. I'm gonna do it a little bit up like that rather than straight across. Ooh, getting wild in here with my crafting. This one looks like it's got dimensionals on it, so let's pop that up a bit so it stands out. And then put it right here on this card. So cute. Okay, and then I am going to say, let's see, sending you love. I'll save friend for just a minute for some of the other ones. So sending you love will be on the front. And it looks like they included a little row of sequins too. Is that what those are? Yes. A couple little sequins across there. Okay, found my sequins. 3 right across. Cute. Let's put that on the front. And this one is finished. Adorable. Sending you love. Love you, and then I can write my little message right there. That is darling. Now let's do the envelope as the kit advises. So we're going to, I like to fold it back so I can remember what's on the inside. And so this is just a big XO stamp that we're going to stamp on. Of course, there's other options too. Those hearts are really nice. Those would be nice to stamp, but let's just stick with this. I always like to make the first project, at least the first project, exactly as it is intended in the kit. And then, because usually there's multiples of each project, you can switch it up on the second one if you like. And I didn't totally do that actually, because I put the arrow on a diagonal. So we're going to stamp this. Whoops, I'm going to do XO. Like that. It's a little splotchy, probably because my stamp is brand new, so I'll rub it on my grid paper and see if we can get it to be a little more solid of an image. Oh, that was much better. So there's a little tip. Rub your stamp either on the carpet or on your grid paper to so that it will accept the ink a little bit better. Okay, that is all ready. I'm going to tuck that in there, and then it's ready for Valentine's Day. Let's move on to the Very Vanilla. Another adorable card. So this one, we use these again, and this one is going to say, love you more with an arrow. Here, I'm going to rub this one again. So love you. All right, that looks great. And where is the more? There we go. Cute. And then now there's an arrow part of the stamp set, so that's perfect. We'll use that. Probably could have layered these on my stamp all at once rather than stamping them in 3 different sets. But you know, when you're making something for the first time while you're making a video and talking, it's kind of a lot going on. So we're probably just doing good to get the project made somewhat properly. Okay, now we're going to put that on here, or is it on that one? Nope, it's not on that one because that will be covered up. So let's put it on this heart that's a little bit darker. I don't know if it's Flirty Flamingo, or I don't think it's dark enough to be Calypso Coral. So it's probably Flirty Flamingo. Cute, and let's pop that up. Okay, so this is our third panel. The second panel, as you can see right here, has the XOXO on it. So we don't need to do anything to that panel. But the first panel, let's take this pink heart, and what should we say? Let's see. We could say just a big XO, but we already have that here. We could say, I think I'm going to go with sending love again. Because some of these I might send in the mail too. So that would be fun. Okay, sending love. And then add a couple of sequins. Okay. That looks nice. I am happy with that. Let's add that to, let's see. Oh, this is where we use the vellum. So where did my vellum go? Oh goodness. I don't even have that many things and it's already lost in my pile of stuff over here. It's like a little mini treasure hunt to find all of my parts and pieces. What in the world is happening? Oh, there we go. Found it. That's great news. Okay, let's put this down on that. And then last step. Can add that to the front. Oh, that looks so cute with the stripes and the vellum and the sequins all showing through. Darling. So we need to stamp on one more envelope. So let's do that. Maybe I'll just do one XO this time. And I'm going to do it up in this corner. And then I can put my return address on the back if I send it in the mail. And that is it, my friends. Card number 1. And where did my other one go now? Right here. Card number 2, XOXO. All finished. Yeah, this is such a cute kit. Thanks so much for joining me and watching today, and we'll see you next month to unveil whatever's in the February kit. So if you don't want to miss out on that one, consider subscribing. It's just a fun little escape and relaxing time. See you next time. Bye-bye.